How to like game in Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Roblox in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, you will land in your home page. Now to like a game in Roblox, all you have to do is open up the information page for that game. In your home page, you will find varieties of game. You can choose one from there which you want to like. If not, you can use the search bar at the top of this interface to search for the game. Or if you scroll down a bit under this continue section, you will find the games that you were playing on the Roblox. Here I have this game and then simply click on the game. After that, you will get to this game information page where you will find all the information regarding this game. Now here you will find various options as favorite, notify, like and dislike. So from here all you have to do is click on this like button, and with that you have liked this game. If you like to add this game to your favorite, you can also click on this favorite. So this is how you can like a game in Roblox, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.